Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox the wooden blender, and in this box here you're going to get one blender, one chopping board, one knife, one milk, one banana, one strawberry, one mango, one watermelon, two tall cups, and two long teaspoons. So let's see what we're going to get exactly inside this box. Alright, so here it is. So one blender already assembled for us, so it is made out of woodens. Let's got this grab right here. I'm going to open it. It's very tight. Please get a knife and cut it. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut open the wooden blender. We do cut parts. So inside the blender there's two items. So this is the wooden material of the blender. And you join them together with the base. There's a knob that you can turn, so you can actually turn the knob. It makes this clicking noise when you turn it. And there's also a blender lid, again all made out of wood. Even this one right here, strawberries, is made out of wood as well. You can separate the strawberries. It's got a velcro tape in here, so you can open and close it. So you can put the strawberries in there and blend it. And then there is also a peach in here or something. Let's say a mango. So again, you can split the mango into half, and you can join them together as a whole, and then put it into the blender. Okay, so that's the blender, and another pack in here. So we got bananas, milk, 2 cups, and 2 wooden spoons, a chopping board, and a knife, wooden knife. Now this toy is not recommended for any children below 3 years old. This can present a choking hazard, so just be careful. And here is a wooden cup. Everything is made out of wood except the thrills inside the cup right here. So 2 cups, 2 wooden cups, and 1 wooden milk with a cow on pictures on the wooden block. Then here you got 2 wooden spoon, plus 1 wooden knife. You also get a chopping board in here, and you got the banana, so you can put the banana in the blender as well. It's full. Alright, so you also get the watermelon pieces as well in here. And that's it. So you don't need to assemble anything. It's all ready for you to use. And you also get this wooden board as well. And that's it. That is the whole Anko Wooden Blender box. And this is what you're going to get inside this Anko Wooden Blender box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.